Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
And then we're going to talk about background. You're going to choose which way you want your background to look, or mirrored or not mirrored, but also you can choose whether you want it to be blurry. Some people like a blurry background. Some people want a green screen. And let me just tell you, a green screen is when you have a green cloth or something behind you, and then you could project something on there, whether it's a video or a scene that you want to be in the back of you. But now we have so many virtual backgrounds that most people don't even use a green screen, but you can use a virtual background and you could just use your original background. A couple of years ago, I was on a Zoom call with somebody else and she had this beautiful scene. I said, "Is that a real scene that's behind you?" She said, "Yes." I said, "That's beautiful." And she says it was staged. And that word hit me like a ton of bricks, because coming from a real estate background, I knew what staging does and how important it was. So what do you want your background to look like? Do you have a TV screen on behind you that's playing something that you don't want to be showing? See, sometimes we're just so focused on us, we don't realize the news is on. And you also want to know, is there a window behind you? And are you going to see what's going on behind you there? And do your pets lay across everything, which for me would be lovely to see, but distracting. Okay. So if I see the pets playing, I'm not going to listen to you. I'm going to be watching them. So you want to be careful and cautious about your background. Now, presenting yourself. You want to create a few versions of your video. You're getting an identity and you're staying authentic. So there's this fine tuning of that. What settings do you want on your computer when you're doing it? How do you want to present yourself physically? So your body position, your usage of your hands. Do you want to come across relaxed? I like to come across excited. That's my thing. I like to be excited and enthusiastic. Now, you're not going to have to sing the opera. You don't have to project like that. But you know how they say the camera adds about 20 pounds to you, or 10 pounds when you're filming? Well, the camera reduces about 10% of your enthusiasm. So you might have to put a little extra oomph into it just so it comes across the way you just sound naturally.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.